Your credit score is one of the most important indicators of your financial health. It affects your ability to borrow money, secure loans, and get favorable terms on credit cards. Lenders, landlords, and even employers may look at your credit score to determine your financial reliability. A higher credit score opens doors to better interest rates, more attractive loan offers, and greater financial flexibility, while a low score can lead to higher costs and limited financial opportunities. Fortunately, improving your credit score is achievable with the right strategies. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to build and improve your credit score. Understand what affects your credit score. To improve your credit score, it's essential to understand the factors that influence it. Credit scores are typically calculated based on 5 key components. 1. Payment history, 35%. This is the most significant factor, as lenders want to know if you can be trusted to pay your debts on time. Late payments, defaults, and collections can severely hurt your score. 2. Credit utilization, 30%. This measures how much of your available credit you are using. A lower utilization rate indicates responsible credit management. 3. Length of credit history, 15%. The longer your credit history, the better. Lenders prefer to see established credit over time. 4. Credit mix, 10%. Having a variety of credit accounts, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages, demonstrates that you can manage different types of credit. 5. New credit inquiries, 10%. Opening too many new credit accounts in a short period can negatively impact your score as it signals potential financial instability. Knowing these factors allows you to target specific areas for improvement and avoid common mistakes that could damage your score. Check your credit report regularly. One of the first steps in building and improving your credit score is to check your credit report regularly. You are entitled to a free annual credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, through annualcreditreport.com. Reviewing your credit report helps you identify any errors or inaccuracies that could be dragging down your score. Errors such as incorrect payment information or fraudulent accounts can be disputed with the credit bureau to have them corrected. It's also a good practice to check your report for any signs of identity theft. Unauthorized accounts or unfamiliar inquiries can indicate that your personal information has been compromised. Pay your bills on time payment. History is the single most important factor in determining your credit score. Even one missed or late payment can have a lasting negative impact on your score, especially if it's more than 30 days late. Consistently paying bills on time, whether it's a credit card, loan, or utility bill, is one of the fastest ways to improve your credit score. To avoid missed payments, set up automatic payments or calendar reminders. If you're worried about overdrawing your account, many financial institutions offer features that allow you to set alerts when your account balance is low. In case you miss a payment, try to pay it as soon as possible, as the longer the payment is overdue, the more it will hurt your credit score. Manage your credit utilization ratio. Your credit utilization ratio is the second most important factor in your credit score. It's calculated by dividing your total credit card balances by your total credit limits. Ideally, you should aim to keep your utilization ratio below 30%, meaning you're only using up to 30% of your available credit at any given time. Keeping this ratio low demonstrates to lenders that you're not overly reliant on credit. There are several ways to lower your credit utilization ratio. First, you can pay down your existing credit card balances. This is the most straightforward method and can lead to an immediate improvement in your credit score. Another option is to request a credit limit increase from your credit card issuer. By increasing your credit limit, you reduce your utilization ratio without needing to reduce your balance. However, be careful not to increase your spending if your credit limit is raised, as this could negate the benefits of the higher limit. Build a diverse credit mix. A healthy credit score reflects not only responsible use of credit cards, but also a good mix of different types of credit. Lenders like to see that you can handle a variety of credit accounts, such as credit cards, auto loans, personal loans, and mortgages. Having a diverse credit mix can positively impact your credit score, as it shows that you're capable of managing multiple types of credit responsibly. Avoid opening too many accounts at once. Each time you apply for a new credit account, the lender will perform a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can temporarily lower your credit score. Multiple hard inquiries within a short period can signal to lenders that you may be experiencing financial difficulty, making you a higher risk borrower. While opening a new credit account may be necessary at times, it's important to avoid applying for too many accounts in quick succession. To protect your credit score, be selective when applying for new credit and only do so when it makes sense for your financial situation. Become an authorized user. If you're new to credit or trying to improve a low credit score, becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card can be a helpful strategy. When you're added as an authorized user, the account holder's credit history for that card is added to your credit report. If the account holder has a positive payment history and a low credit utilization ratio, this can boost your credit score. However, it's crucial to ensure that the primary account holder manages their credit responsibly. If they miss payments or carry high balances, it could negatively affect your credit score as well. Keep old accounts open. The length of your credit history makes up 15% of your credit score, so keeping older accounts open can have a positive impact on your score. Closing a long-standing credit card account can shorten your credit history and reduce your overall available credit, which could hurt your score by increasing your credit utilization ratio. If you have credit card accounts that you no longer use, consider keeping them open and using them occasionally for small purchases. Just make sure to pay off the balance each month to avoid accumulating debt or paying interest. Use credit responsibly. Managing credit is key to building and improving your credit score. This means not only paying your bills on time, but also being mindful of how much credit you use. Try to use credit cards for necessary expenses that you can pay off in full each month. Avoid carrying high balances from month to month, as this can lead to high interest charges and a higher credit utilization ratio. Additionally, avoid using credit to fund a lifestyle you cannot afford. Seek professional help if needed. If you're struggling to manage your credit or have made mistakes that have hurt your score, seeking professional help may be beneficial. Credit counseling agencies offer services that can help you create a budget, manage your debt, and develop a plan to improve your credit score. Some agencies provide free or low-cost services to assist with credit repair and financial education. If you've been the victim of identity theft or have errors on your credit report that are difficult to resolve, consider working with a reputable credit repair company. These companies can help you dispute inaccuracies and negotiate with creditors to correct any erroneous information on your credit report. Building and improving your credit score takes time and consistent effort, but the rewards are worth it. A good credit score can open doors to better financial opportunities, lower interest rates, and greater flexibility in managing your finances. By understanding the factors that affect your credit score, regularly checking your credit report, paying bills on time, managing credit utilization, and using credit responsibly, you can steadily improve your credit profile. Remember, there are no quick fixes for improving your credit, but by taking small, intentional steps, you can achieve long-term financial stability and success. With diligence and patience, you can build a strong credit history that will serve as the foundation for your financial future.